Today, we talk about one of the most important ideas you can ever learn. Don't waste your life. Life is a gift, but it is also very short. Every day, every hour, and every minute matters. How you use your time shapes your future and your happiness. So, if you want to live a good life, you need to understand why wasting time is the biggest mistake you can make. Many people don't think much about time. They spend it on things that don't help them grow or reach their dreams. They wait for the right moment, or keep saying, "I will do it later." But the truth is, time never waits. The clock keeps ticking, and every second you lose is gone forever. Once a moment passes, you can't get it back. Why do people waste their lives? Sometimes it is because they feel stuck or afraid. They don't know where to start, so they do nothing. Sometimes distractions like phones, games, or social media take over their day. Sometimes people follow other people's plans instead of their own dreams. All of this leads to feeling empty or unhappy. But the good news is, it is never too late to change. You can start using your life wisely right now. The first step is to understand that your time is your most valuable resource. Money can come and go, but time is limited. Successful people know this secret. They protect their time carefully and use it to learn, work hard, and improve. In this video, we will talk about how to stop wasting your life and start living it fully. We will explore simple, clear lessons to help you take control of your time. You will learn how to set goals, focus on what matters, and take action every day. When you do this, your life changes for the better. Remember, your life is your story. You are the author. You can write it in any way you want, but only if you don't waste time waiting or doubting. Every day is a new chance to be better, stronger, and closer to your dreams. So, if you want to stop wasting your life and start living with purpose, keep watching. This video will help you understand why time is so important and how to make the most of it. Let's learn together and grow together. Because here at Read and Learn English, we believe every life can be great when you use your time wisely. Let's begin. Lesson 1. Time is your life. Don't kill it. Time is not just a number on a clock. Time is life. Every second you spend is a part of your life that you can never get back. Imagine that every day you receive a gift of 86,400 seconds. That is what life gives you. But you cannot save any of those seconds. You must spend them. The way you spend your time shows the way you live your life. If you waste time, you waste your life. Many people do not understand how valuable time is until it is too late. They think they have enough time, so they delay everything. They say they will work later, study tomorrow, or follow their dreams someday. But that someday never comes because life moves fast. Time does not stop for anyone. One of the worst habits we develop is killing time. We scroll on our phones for hours, watch videos that don't add value, or sit doing nothing useful. These actions may feel harmless at the moment, but over time, they take away days, weeks, and even years. Imagine how many goals could have been achieved if that time was used wisely. Think about the skills that could have been learned, the money that could have been earned, and the dreams that could have been built. Every big success starts with small moments used wisely. You do not need to do something huge every second, but you do need to make sure your time is not being thrown away. Time teaches us the importance of now. The present moment is the only time we truly have. The past is already gone. The future has not come yet. So if you want to make a change, if you want to do something meaningful, start now. Do not wait for the perfect moment. There is no such thing as a perfect time. You make the time perfect by taking action. People often regret things they did not do. Rarely do they regret trying. So instead of waiting, take small steps. Those small steps, taken every day, will change your life. Many people complain about not having enough time. But the truth is, we all have the same 24 hours each day. The difference is in how we use it. Successful people do not have more time than others. They just manage it better. They focus on what matters. They cut out distractions. They say no to things that do not help them grow. If you want to improve your life, you must respect your time. Start by identifying the things that waste your time. Be honest with yourself. Are you using your time to grow, learn, and improve? Or are you just keeping yourself busy? You do not need to be busy to be productive. Being busy means doing many things. Being productive means doing the right things. Sometimes rest is the right thing. Sometimes working hard is the right thing. Learn to choose wisely. Balance your time. Make time for your health, for your mind, and for your relationships. Life is not just about working non-stop. It is also about living fully and meaningfully. Use your time to create memories, build strong habits, and help others. In the end, how you spend your time becomes how you live your life. One day, you will look back at your journey. Make sure it is a journey you are proud of. Do not wait to live your best life. Start today. Respect your time. Value it. Protect it. Because time is life, and when you waste it, you are killing a piece of yourself. Use your time in a way that makes your future self thankful. Time is a gift. Don't throw it away. Lesson 2. Stop blaming and start building. Blaming others is easy. When something goes wrong, we look for someone to point the finger at. We say it's our parents' fault, our teacher's fault, the government's fault, or bad luck. But blaming never helps. It might make us feel better for a short time, but it does not change anything. Blaming is like standing still in the middle of a broken house and saying, "This is not my fault." Even if it's true, the house is still broken. What you need is not blame. What you need is to start building. Taking responsibility is the first step to change. This does not mean everything is your fault. It means you accept that your life is your responsibility. No one else will fix it for you. Life is not always fair. Sometimes you get hurt for no reason. Sometimes people treat you badly. Sometimes things go wrong even when you try your best. But what matters most is what you do next. Do you keep blaming, or do you start building something better? When you start building, you take control. You begin to shape your life the way you want it to be. You stop waiting for help that may never come. You become stronger, wiser, and more confident. Every small step you take adds up. You may not see the results immediately, but over time, your life will change. You don't need to have all the answers to start. You just need the courage to begin. Building is not about being perfect. It's about taking action, learning from your mistakes, and trying again. Some people spend years stuck in the same place because they refuse to take responsibility. They say, "I can't do this because of my past," or "I'll never succeed because of where I was born." but many others have faced the same or worse situations and still move forward. What made the difference was their mindset. They chose to stop blaming and start building. They focused on what they could do, not what they couldn't. You have that same power. It's inside you right now. Start with what you have. Use the tools around you. Read books, watch helpful videos, talk to people who support you, build your skills, build your knowledge, build your habits, build your confidence. Even if you make mistakes, you are still moving forward. Mistakes are part of the process. Every builder breaks something before learning how to fix it. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid to stay the same. Blaming is a habit, so is building. The more you blame, the more powerless you feel. The more you build, the stronger you become. Choose your habit wisely. It may be hard in the beginning, but nothing is harder than living a life you don't like. Take action, take charge. Become the builder of your own life. One day, you will look back and see how far you've come. You will see the walls you've built, the bridges you've crossed, and the life you've created. All because you made one choice, to stop blaming and start building. That is how change happens. That is how great lives are made. Lesson 3. Your comfort zone is a trap. Escape it now. Your comfort zone is the place where you feel safe. It is where everything feels easy and familiar. You know what to expect. There are no risks, no fear, and no pain. It feels good. But what most people don't realize is that the comfort zone is also a trap. It stops you from growing. It stops you from learning. It stops you from becoming who you are truly meant to be. It gives you a false feeling of safety while keeping you stuck in the same place. If you stay there for too long, you start to lose confidence, dreams, and the excitement of life. Growth happens when you step outside your comfort zone. Think about how children learn. They try new things. They fall. They get up. They try again. That is how they learn to walk, talk, and understand the world. But as we grow older, we become afraid of trying. We stop doing things that make us uncomfortable. We want to feel safe all the time. But feeling safe does not help us achieve big goals. If you want to grow, you must be willing to feel uncomfortable sometimes. The truth is, everything you want in life is outside your comfort zone. The better job, the new skill, the big dream, the stronger body, the happier life, all of these require effort and change. You cannot reach these things by doing what you've always done. You have to face your fears. You have to try things you've never tried. You have to push yourself. At first, it will feel scary. You might feel like quitting, but over time, that discomfort becomes your new comfort. That's how growth works. Most people who are stuck in life are not stuck because of lack of talent or resources. They are stuck because they are afraid to leave their comfort zone. They fear failure. They fear judgment. They fear being different. But fear is not a good guide. It only wants to protect you. It does not care about your dreams. You have to be brave enough to feel fear and move forward anyway. Fear will always be there. But so will your strength. You just have to believe in yourself. Escaping the comfort zone doesn't mean making big changes all at once. It means doing small things that feel uncomfortable. Talk to a stranger. Wake up earlier. Say yes to a new opportunity. Speak up in a meeting. Try a new skill. Each small step outside the comfort zone builds your courage. Soon, things that once felt scary will feel normal. That is how you become more confident, more capable, and more successful. Your comfort zone will always try to pull you back,